Yeah. Medyo kuli yung dating sa aming bagong parating. At ngayon nandyan sila na bigla at nagpraning. Kaya huwag magtataka kung alam mo may dating. We know we're just so far, alam namin parating. Galingan, araw-araw may laman ng bulsa. Kahit anong paraan, kalagan ang humarang-harang sa atin. Talagang may kalagyan ng mukha. Hanggat di nakilala ng ina. Sobrang grabe talaga. Sobrang grabe talaga. Sobrang grabe talaga. Sobrang grabe talaga. May apera sa mata, pero never been distract. Tuloy lang kami sa grind, so the money we attack. So the money we drop. All the negative is fuck. All the negative is fuck. We know that we making money in this shit. Yeah, we know that we making money in this shit. Superfly, tila medyo high. Pati yung chick mo sa akin napahay. We know we're so exclusive, parang inakay. Pag kami ang bumaba, parang pinatay. Ang mga tenga nyo, susunugin till it dry. Free fly, kahit medyo shy. Tuloy ka lang sa tagay, kahit lang atay. Dami mo pang sinasabi, it's so fucking fine. Goldie kasi kaya ibang aming shine. Value going up, pagtagal ng time. Wag lang masasangkot kasi daming crime. I'm stupid as shit like a fucking kid. Pero kahit na ganon, I have kapatid. Pag na-hospital ako, alam ko may batid. Dami pa kami pangarap na gustong i-reach. Kami titigil to we'll make it great. Yeah, we know that we making money in this shit. Yeah, we know that we making money in this shit. Yeah, we know that we making money in this shit. Yeah, we know that we making money in this shit.
Alam mo ba? Mo alam yun. Ha? Hindi ko alam yan, pre. Hindi ko alam yan. Sinasabi na yan, no? Baliw yan eh. Sige, lisag na.